This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Welcome home to this move-in ready, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo situated in a gated condo community in the heart of historic Colonial Place. This home features a welcoming open-concept living floor plan featuring an updated kitchen with new counters, subway tile backsplash and a breakfast bar. Located just off the kitchen is a space perfect for a dining table or home office. The spacious den, which is open to the kitchen, features a wood-burning fireplace and 2 east-facing windows. The well-proportioned master bedroom has 2 closets and an updated ensuite bath. The second bedroom sits conveniently across the hall from second bathroom. For more information, review the details below.